Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on RapidRaw. And in this video we are going to see how to start with the adjustment. So we have different type of adjustments that we can use, and we are going to see how we can start with this adjustment. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description. It is a complete course RapidRaw. So if you want to learn this software starting from scratch with a course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models session of the course, what you will be able to learn, a complete course in details to perfectly master RapidRaw if you need to classify your images, if you want to improve any images. And in this first thing on the description you will see this complete course. Second link on the description, the website in link with this YouTube channels. You can discover software in these YouTube channels, have basics on this software. And second link on the description, it is like an online school. You can pick a course and learn any graphic software. So let's start with the adjustment. I'm going to select in my image folder here one of the image first. So the image that I will choose, I will select for example this one as an example. After you will be able to enter in the edit mode. How to process with this edit mode? The first thing that you can do, you have an image here. If you want to extend on this area, you can. You have also the possibility to extend here, and you can adjust your image in a faster way, just like that. You can also recuperate this view with your folders, and this view, if inside your folder you want, for example, to switch with another image, it's pretty fast without to come back to the main panels. When you go on the right, you can see the adjustment here. And you have different categories. The first categorize is the basic adjustment. The second categorize the curves adjustment. And then you can find color adjustment, details adjustment, and effect adjustment categorize. So this is the 5 categories that you can use. Totally on this area, you can visit all the adjustment on your image. And this is something important to know at the beginning. In the basic adjustment, what you will be able to do. I will make some video more in details about some specific area. Here you can work exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, white, black. So for example, when you want to improve an image, the first thing that to do, it is to make a correction about your exposure on the highlights and the shadows. So the first things to do is to focus on the highlights and shadows. And after to adjust the highlights and shadows with a white and black point as well, you will be able to adjust the exposure and contrast. In this case, for example, to just improve a little bit my exposure, and in some many images, when you don't have big problem, you can just increase the shadows and you can decrease a little bit the highlights as well. And for example, on the contrast value, after that I can increase little bit the exposure, just little bit in a general way, and put little bit contrast after that. If you want to see the result before after, you can click here and you can have access before. So this is the render before, and you can click here after. If sometimes it's not working properly, you just need to adjust an adjustment and it's going to work, because sometimes you won't have the render in real time. Here it's work, but sometimes it's not working properly. You just need to move a little bit the cursor. So this is some basic adjustment that you can use. The second categorize will be a curves adjustment, and here you will be able to work with the curves and to adjust the exposure in a different way. You can place multiple points. You can also see the histogram on the backgrounds on the curves. If I double click here, I can reset this. If you want to reset any adjustment, you just need to double click, and when you double click you will come back to 0. And if I go here, I can increase. If I want to reset all adjustment, I just need to click here and I will reset all the adjustment to 0. You can also go right click and reset adjustment here. So let's just do this again. I will increase the shadows and I will decrease the highlights. Let's increase more the shadows, just like this. I will then put little bit exposure, not much, just little bit, and little bit contrast as well, just after. So here we have the curves. Another categorize will be the color. What you will be able to do with the color, the aim is to adjust with different adjustments the color. So the first is the white balance. So for example, you can increase or decrease the temperature with a white balance. Let's move a little bit the temperature. Then you have vibrance and saturation. You can improve the colors on your images. For example, I can put saturation and vibrance here. You will find a color grading to be able to adjust on the shadows, on the highlights, and on the midtone. You can change the range of color, and you can also as well work with the exposure. You will find a color mixers to adjust, for example, on a range of color. Here I see the red, the hue, or the saturation, so I can increase saturation and maybe change the hue on the range rate pixels of color of my image, and also work with the luminance. I will show you another session in detail this adjustment. Then you will be able to work with the detail. If you want to hide an adjustment, you can just click here and you can add an adjustment, a categorized adjustment just here. In the details adjustment, you can improve the different, you will be able to improve for example, the different levels of detail. So if I want to increase the details, I can use sharpen. You have also structures that you can use to make something better on your image. At different levels of details, you can work with the details adjustment. And then if you want to add effect, you have different effects, like for example, you can add vignette and you can add crane as well. And that's it. So this is a different adjustment that you can use on an image. If you come back to your mode, so here, for example, we have the adjustment. You can see before, after. You can also redo the last action here, or undo the last action, or redo the last action on these panels. If I just come back here, you can see the preview adjustment will appear directly on my image. If I want to reset the adjustment directly from this panel, I can just go right click, and when you go right click, you will have different options, and you can reset the adjustment of the selected image. So if I reset adjustment here, as you can see, I resetted all the adjustment on this image. So that's it. We are going to stop here with this video on how to start with the adjustment in RapidRaw. As I explained, RapidRaw is a powerful software that you can use for free to improve images, adjust images, and also to classify and organize your images. You can add filters and different type of information with your images. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description, the complete course. RapidRaw is available, so if you want to learn this software starting from scratch with a course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models, session of the course, what you will be able to learn, a lot of hours of training content to master RapidRaw and all the software. And for the adjustment, we describe all the adjustment step by step with a structure and how you can use these different adjustments. Second link on the description, the website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software in these YouTube channels, have basics of this software. And second link on the description, it is like an online school. You can pick a course and you can learn any type of graphic software. For our next video on this channel, see you. Ciao, ciao.